Hey, what's up guys? It's Marco here. Today I'm going to be attempting to fix this bent radiator off my 2009 RMZ 250. This thing's really mangled, but I have a variety of tools and techniques to try to straighten it out. So the first I'm going to try to fix is the twist in the radiator, and to do that we use this vise.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright, so the vise ended up working out pretty well. And to straighten out the edges over here, kind of stretch them out, place them on here. I have my little block of wood, put it right there, and then I bang on this with a hammer a few times, and then switch to the other side. You want to make sure you switch between sides. Make the process faster and reduce the risk of damaging your radiator. Hey guys, so it's currently raining, but still here working on the radiator. Pretty much yesterday worked pretty well in getting that twist out of the radiator. However, in trying to flatten out these sides, things weren't even going well. So now I have a new strategy. Pretty much I'm gonna prop the radiator up on these two wooden blocks here. I'm gonna use this kind of mallet thing to straighten it out. Alright, I've been banging on this edge for a while, but trying to reach diminishing returns here. I definitely think twisting the vise was really helpful, really straightened it out. But at this point I'm gonna start working on the fins and straighten the fins out. As you can see, they're really gnarly in here. So I'll see what I can't do. Alright, I've been straightening out these fins for a while now, using a screwdriver and this pick. I cannot recommend the pick enough. Honestly, helps a lot. And I've left over here unfixed so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so this is the end product. I think it turned out really well. Way better than I expected anyways. And layer tail test if it leaks. And if it doesn't, then we'll be golden. I didn't see anybody else using the pick technique on YouTube, so I definitely recommend that. Saved me a lot of time. But on that topic of time, a lot of people would argue that this fix really isn't worth the amount of time you invest into it. You know, it's just easier to buy another radiator online, and you know, there definitely is some truth to that. But I mean, if you got some spare time on, you know, your evenings, you can just kind of sit down while watching TV and kind of get to work on straightening the fins. So I definitely don't regret the time I spent on it. Definitely had a little bit of fun doing this, and I recommend you try it too if you have a bent or broken radiator.